Human life can be compared to an aircraft with an autopilot. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Puneet, and in this discussion, we will talk about the autopilots in human life. I would like to begin with a small story. Once, on these days when security concerns were low, she was strolling on a flight and he decided to take permission from the captain and to give the flight deck to go and see the flight deck and how he was flying such a complicated machine. So when he entered and he found that the flight deck is filled with lots of small gadgets and gadgets, he asked the captain how the aircraft always stays on the track in spite of lots of variables like wind and weather, etc. The captain explained and pointed out, showing one small red light which is blinking on and off. The captain explained that yes, of course, the aircraft goes out of the track, but when it happens, the autopilot bring it back on the track. My dear friends, don't you think these things of autopilot we all have in our lives? Don't you think we need autopilots in our life? Yes, we all have the autopilot. Remember, when you find a way to earn the money in unethical way, to earn the money from below the table, then your life going out of the track. At that time, your honesty, your values, your integrity are playing the role as autopilot and bring your life back on the track so that you will leave that idea of earning money by these ways. When you are facing a lot of challenges and failures in your life, you are facing lots of ups and downs, then you decide to give up on your dreams. You decide to quit. At that time you are going out of the track. When you at that time your attitude towards the seeing of success, toward these failures, how you see these things are opportunities. These are not failures or challenges. They come to our life to teach us something. So this is your attitude which work as autopilot. When you don't want to get up in the morning and you don't want to work by being so much of laziness, then of course your life is going out of the track. Then your purpose, your goals, your commitment to success, these are autopilots, and they bring back your life on the track. When you are so much comfortable on your cocoon, on your comfort zone, and you deny to get out of it and just relax in your life, then you are going out of the track. Your ambition, your desires to succeed, and your burning commitments, burning desires are acting as autopilots, so that you can get up and you bounce back on to working on your success. So these are kind of autopilots in our life. My dear friends, what is autopilot in your life? Think about it. Thank you so much.